investigating photosynthesis with the Data Hive. In this experiment, we are investigating how light intensity affects the rate of photosynthesis. Here, I'm using a lamp with a dimmer, but you can use the more traditional method of moving further away from the light source to reduce the light intensity. For this experiment, you will need pondweed, a thin transparent beaker, a lamp with an LED bulb, a ruler or tape measure, or you can use a dimmer like I have used, bicarbonate of soda, and of course your Data Hive. Ensure that the light sensor is facing the light source, which can be seen here. If you are using the USB connection, it will show you live data for light intensity. If you are using the portable setup, you'll need to push the button in the top right and then read the scale in the middle. You need to set up your pondweed in a boiling tube sat in a beaker of water and secure your Data Hive to the beaker. For the purpose of this video, I am just holding it in place. You want to either change the brightness of your dimmer bulb or move the pondweed further away from the light source to change the light intensity. Here you can see the live data readings and how the light intensity changes as we increase the brightness of the bulb. This data will be plotted automatically in a graph. This is a great resource for supporting students with calculating light intensity, plotting a graph which can often have challenging ranges in the axes, and it also highlights the importance of data loggers in accurate experimentation.